Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete a Wix account by deactivating it properly. This is useful if you no longer plan to use Wix and want to make sure your account is closed in the correct order without leaving any active sites or other important items behind. To get started, sign into your Wix account and make sure you're on your main dashboard. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This will open the account menu, where you'll find several options related to your profile and account management. If you manage more than one Wix account, make sure you're signed into the account you actually want to close before going any further. From that menu, click on Account Settings. This is where Wix keeps the main controls for your account, including security, personal details, and account status. Because account closure affects the entire Wix account rather than just one website, this is different from simply deleting or unpublishing an individual site. After the settings page opens, scroll down carefully until you find the section labeled Close Your Wix Account. Since this option is placed lower on the page, it can be easy to miss, so take your time and make sure you're in the correct section before continuing. It's worth reading any notices Wix displays here, because they can explain what still needs to be completed before the account can be closed. Click Close Account to begin the account deletion process. At this point, Wix will usually show you some requirements before you can fully proceed. These requirements are there to make sure there aren't still websites or account-related items that need your attention first. One important thing to know is that you cannot close the account until all of your sites have been handled first. That means you'll need to move all your sites to the trash or transfer them to another account if you want to keep them active elsewhere. This step is essential, so if the system does not let you continue, it usually means there are still sites connected to your account. If there's a website you may want to keep, transferring it instead of removing it can be the better option, because it allows the site to remain available under another account. After all of your sites have been removed or transferred, continue with the closure process. You'll then be asked to provide a reason for closing your account. You can enter the details in the space provided. This part is generally used for feedback, so just fill it in based on your situation and move on to the next step. You don't need to overthink this part. Simply provide the reason that best matches why you're leaving the platform. To confirm the deletion, enter your password in the confirmation field. This is a security step to make sure it's really you making the request. After entering your password, click Close Account to finalize the process. Make sure you're comfortable proceeding before clicking the final confirmation, since this is the point where you're completing the account closure request. Before you do this, it's a good idea to double-check that you no longer need anything stored in the account, especially if any sites, subscriptions, or important content were connected to it. Once the account is closed, reversing the action may not be simple. You may also want to save any important website content, records, or information you could need later before completing the closure. And that's how to delete your Wix account. If you follow these steps in order, the process should be quick and straightforward. Taking a moment to deal with your sites and review anything important before the final confirmation can help you avoid accidentally losing access to something you still need.